Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a video on Artlist in just a few simple steps. Let's go. First, go to artlist.io and log into your account. Make sure you're on a plan that includes access to the AI Toolkit. The Max plan, or any AI plan, gives you full access. From the top panel on the homepage, click AI Toolkit and its corresponding icon. This is Artlist's hub for all AI-powered generation tools: images, videos, voiceovers, and more. Once you're inside the AI toolkit, click the video toggle to switch from image to video generation mode. You'll now see the video generation interface with all its settings ready to configure. Artlist gives you 3 ways to generate a video. Let me quickly explain each one so you can choose the right one for your project. Text to video. You describe a scene in words, and the AI builds it from scratch. Perfect for creating original content when you have no existing footage or images. Image to video. Image to video AI uses your uploaded photo or picture as the starting frame, then generates motion based on your prompt and selected model. You guide how the scene moves, and the AI generates a smooth video clip from the still image. Video to video. Video to video AI analyzes your original clip and applies changes based on your instructions. Instead of generating a scene from scratch, it builds on existing motion, structure, and timing. Great for restyling or transforming footage you already have. For this tutorial, I'll walk through text to video since it's the most common starting point, but the core steps are the same across all 3 methods. Now choose your AI model. For realistic results, try Veo 3.1 or Kling 3.0. If you just want to test things out first, my recommendation for beginners: start with Cdance 2.0. Fast to test your prompts cheaply. Then switch to Veo 3.1 or Kling 3.0 for your final output. Choose your model and type your vision into the prompt box. Be specific. Mention the setting, lighting, and camera movement. For example, a sunset over mountains, slow aerial drone shot, cinematic, warm lighting. If you're stuck, hit Auto Prompt, and Artlist will expand your idea automatically. Not sure how to write a detailed prompt? No problem. Click Auto Prompt on the right of the prompt box, on selected models, to create a more detailed, descriptive prompt based on your initial idea. You can continue clicking it to get new variations, or edit the result manually. Click the back button to revert to the previous prompt. If you want to animate a photo or use a visual reference, you can include one reference image or a start frame and an end frame for smoother transitions and storytelling. Customize your setting options, which vary by the chosen model. Adjust your settings. Pick your duration, 5 or 8 seconds, your aspect ratio, and your resolution. Use 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Reels or TikTok. Some of the more advanced models, like Veo 3.1 and Kling 3.0, can generate synchronized audio natively alongside your video. Toggle the audio option on to add speech, music, and sound effects on supported models. If you plan to add your own music from the Artlist library later, you can leave this off. Click the Generate button. The number of credits required to generate the video will be shown when you hover over the button. Confirm and let the AI get to work. Depending on the model and settings, this usually takes anywhere from a few seconds to about a minute. Once generated, review the result and iterate by adjusting prompts, inputs, or model selection until the output matches your intent. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. AI video generation is an iterative process. Tweak your prompt, change a setting, and regenerate. When you're happy with the result, you can save it to your favorites, add it to an artboard, upscale it for higher quality, recreate and reuse your prompts, or download it to use directly in your projects. All generated videos are covered under Artlist's commercial license, so you can use them freely in client work, social media, ads, and more. And that's it! You now know exactly how to generate a video on Artlist from scratch. To recap, open the AI toolkit. Pick your generation method, choose your model, write a strong prompt, adjust your settings, and hit Generate. It really is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of videos you're planning to create. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next one.